I left my expensive mic for this Saramonic Air SE, and this is truly incredible because it fits in the hand. It fits in the pocket. This is a very, very light device. It comes at 5 grams, which is absolutely crazy, and it is as big as my thumb. It comes with AI noise cancellation. You can use it like a standalone mic as well. So the features are incredible and it is absolutely pocketable. This really impressed me. Let's get into it. Let's see how it is. I will test it in various environments and let's see how the noise cancellation is and how the mic is overall. Now, before we get into the video, do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video for such good gadgets.
So this is the device itself, really compact. It has got two mics, one over here and one over here. And it has got the feeding device which plugs into your phone or your camera. It's very, very seamless, and you can charge it itself from here with USB Type-C. So this is how compact it is. I really like it because you can actually use this on the go without a problem. Very, very nice, very compact. These come with really strong magnets. So it's difficult to hold in one hand, but this is how it is. And here is the magnet which goes onto your t-shirt, and it is as simple as that. Nothing too fancy, very compact, very nice. But the best part is that you can use this as a microphone as well. So you can talk through it.
So I would say that it's a very, very compact device, but the features which it packs are incredible at a price point which is amazing. And now there is only one thing left to do is test this mic to its score. So let's get into it. Now I have this, I'm going to plug it in my phone, and there is a small button over here. So that's there, and all you do is just plug it into your device and you're good to go. I'm in the middle of a food court in a mall, and you can hear the noise and the sound. It's crazy. Now let me plug in the Saramonic Air and we will test it again. Okay, so now I am talking through the mic with noise cancellation on. So I also don't know how the output is like, but I'm sure it is much superior than the earlier sound which you guys heard. So this is the Saramonic Air SE for you. So I'm in the middle of a mall right now, and it is pretty loud with some music, background music going on, people talking, kids running, and it's like a real thing. And this mic, I'm sure it's absolutely clear and you can't hear one background noise. So let me know down in the comment section of what you guys think about this, and do consider subscribing. I'm in my balcony. It is not too windy as of now, but the microphone is connected. This is the quality without any noise cancellation on. Now I have toggled the noise cancellation to be strong. So this is at the strongest level. The EQ is set on vocal boost. There are no other settings which I have changed, and it is still on stereo. And now I can hear a lot of background noise. I don't know if you guys are able to pick it up, but I could hear a car racing and all of that. So let me know if you can hear this. So I have a background noise right now, and I'm just going to keep quiet so that you can hear that pickup, and then we will plug the Saramonic in the phone. Okay, now let's plug this in. So now the Saramonic Air is plugged in, and this is how it sounds even with the same background noise. What do you guys think? So that audio, guys, was a testament of how good this mic is. And also there's one thing which I want to highlight: the specs. We are looking at a 48k hertz 24-bit sound, which is absolutely amazing. It comes with an AI noise cancellation, which we saw, and it comes with a built-in limiter. So all of this in a 5-gram setup is something which is unbelievable. I think this is what creators, YouTubers, Instagrammers can actually have in their pocket all day without worrying. At this point, if you're thinking, what is the kind of battery life which you get on this? So this device itself has a battery life of 28 hours, which is crazy. And I have not been able to kill it, to be honest. So I have not been able to test the complete battery life. And the mics themselves come with a claimed battery life of around 4 to 5 hours. So this is how it is. I think this is more than enough for you to shoot a day's worth content without bothering about the battery life. So that's how I would put it.
because I've already done it and no complaints. So I have everything laid out over here. We do have the device itself, which let me put on the side for now. It comes with dead cats. It comes with lapel holders as well. It comes with a charging cable. It comes with a nice pouch, which I like, and some documentation. So this is how it is, and the adapter as well, which is over here, which is the lightning one, and the USB is over here.
I'm right now in the Saramonic app, and here you can see the Saramonic Air SE. Let me go into it. So here you can see the Air SE controls, and both I'm talking to the mic so you can hear the mic as well. You can choose the output gain over here, so that's something which is there. You can also choose the noise cancellation, AI weak, AI off, and AI NC strong. So these are the noise cancellation modes. Then obviously you have channel safety. You have all of that coming to the picture. You have EQ boost. You have mute. You have the transmission light as well. So if you want to kill the LED on the transmitter, you can do that. And speaker also you can choose. Then under more you have the firmware update and everything. And whatever you choose, you can reset to default as well. So very seamless app, very straight, very simple. I just thought let me show you the app as well because it's really good, very useful.
And you can obviously use this with a wind guard as well, and that would improve the entire quality of the microphone if you're in a very windy environment. If I'm looking at a situation where I don't want to carry my big mic, I don't want to carry a big box in my pocket or in my backpack, then this is something which I can use, which is so convenient, has got many uses. It's got 2 mics, just slips into your pocket, you don't have to worry about it. So this is something which I would really recommend if you want something on the go and without any hassles. Then the Saramonic Air SE is the one which you should go for, and the price point is too attractive for you not to have this microphone as a backup or a pocket mic which is just ready to use, especially for the people who really want to record content on the go. So that's something which I would recommend. So with that, we are at the end of the video, and if you are in the market to buy this kind of a microphone, I have got a good discount in the description, so go check it out, and the link to buy it as well is there. I want you guys to really go and experience this. It's very good. With that, we are at the end of the video. If you have any questions regarding this, drop them down below and I will respond to them, and as usual, thanks for watching.